New in the Yokohama Q1 store release is a business portal. The business portal will be used for customer service management, all new implementations moving forward for all new B2B portals. The business portal delivers configurable consumer-grade experiences for B2B organizations to leverage. They can leverage a configurable library of portal widgets, all with a lower implementation cost with configure versus development. Let's take a look at George Warren. George Warren is an employee of the company Boxio, and when George logs into the website, he sees the new business portal. The new business portal is the replacement of the former CSM portal, and it's for all new B2B implementations. So this is a reference portal. And the great thing about it is, I'll show you in a minute, is that the administrators can easily configure this. So here you can see the various sections available, searching knowledge, tracking cases, looking at various topics. Here George Warren can browse both topics by knowledge articles and catalog. This is all leveraging the configurable portal widgets. We also have a nice header menu with the capability to view cases, tasks, and orders for his company, Boxio. He has visibility into all the cases that are assigned to him, as well as requests. Next, let's talk about how easy it is for administrators to configure. From an administrator point of view, each of the widgets in the new business portal are configurable. And as I scroll down and look at the various areas, each widget has its own configuration. If I do a control right click and click on instance options, for the banner widget, we provide a link for you to understand how each of the elements can be configured, including easily changing the picture, the branding, the colors, how many buttons you see. This is all that using and leveraging the configurable portal widget for the banner. The business-to-business portal or business portal leverages the new configurable portal widgets. As I control right click on another widget, you can see the options here are very different. We're looking at the case table, anything that's in awaiting info or new, and also the ability to configure other things. Other ones have a different view. If I go to the browse capability, here we've set up browse for a couple of different products, and the ability to configure how that looks is part of the admin experience. Going back to the home page, it's very easy with the new business portal. This is the reference portal. Please start with this for all business-to-business implementations. The value is the ability to easily configure and brand the look and feel for business portals.